Hello everyone, we didn't cook any fish for a long time. So today I'm gonna show recipe with seabass with chorizo crust, zucchini puree, cucumbers and milk sauce. So let's do it. And let's start with my zucchini puree. I have here 3 zucchinis, so I just cut them into the quarters, take out the seeds and chop them roughly. I recommend you to cut them into the same sizes so everything is cooking evenly. And one piece have to be for my food inspector because he just loves zucchini. And let's cook it. I start with a little bit of olive oil on the pan and I sweat the zucchini for around 5 minutes. You don't want to make that much color because otherwise your puree ends up brown and not green. Now you can cover it with water, season it with fresh thyme and salt, and I'm gonna cook it with a lid until the zucchini will be soft. So the puree is cooking and now I can start with my chorizo crumble. So I'm gonna chop some chorizo and then also a few almonds. You don't have to stress out about sizes or shapes because at the end we are gonna blitz everything together. And at this time are my zucchini ready, so I put fresh dill inside, cook everything for 1 minute and then blitz it properly. You don't want to cook the zucchini for too long because you would lose the color. So I blitz it for around 3 minutes. If you feel like your puree is too thick, you can put a bit of water, check out the salt, and beautiful zucchini puree is ready. And now let's finish our chorizo crumble. So I sear the chorizo for a few minutes with a little bit of olive oil. Then I add my almonds, cook it for 1 more minute and finish it with breadcrumbs. I cook everything on medium heat until the crumble become crispy. And for the seasoning, I use paprika powder, black pepper, salt and fresh lemon zest. And the last step is to blitz everything for a few seconds. An easy but super tasty crumble is ready for the plating. You were asking me to show you some kind of white sauce which you can use with green oil. So I'm gonna show you easy milk sauce which you can use even cold. So I mix milk, lime juice, sugar and salt inside a pot. And to make it thick, I use pinch of xanthan gum. I'm not giving you exact recipe like always, because you can really adjust the sauce how you like it. Sometimes you need more sour sauce, sometimes the dishes will need more sweet sauce. So make it how you like it, and even experiment with different spices inside. Then you can just mix it with some green oil and you create beautiful sauce like this. For my garnish, I will use cucumber. So I use melon baller and create cool looking balls like this. I season it with olive oil, white wine vinegar and salt. Leave it inside the fridge to marinate and cucumber will be ready for my plating. And now let's finally start with the fish. I have here this beautiful fresh sea bass. So the first thing I have to do is to fillet it. And there you go, I'm not the only one who noticed the fish. There are more ways how to fillet fish like this, but I like to cut the head first, then cut a bit the fillets from the side and finish it with 1 clean slice to separate the fillets. Then you have to clean the fillet and also take out the bones. You can leave the scales there because we will peel the skin later on. And I cook it in the steamer for around 2 minutes. And of course, there was a bit meat left on the fish, so I scraped it with a spoon and I'd have to go to my food inspector because he's looking at me like he didn't eat for years now. The fish is cooked now, so I take it out carefully from the steamer. peel the skin and I cover the fillet with my chorizo crumble. And let's do the plating. Today I'm gonna do 2 platings. The second option you can see like always on my Patreon page. Check out the link in the description below. I start with zucchini puree. Then is coming my beautiful seabass fillet with chorizo crumble on the top, few marinated cucumber balls, some fresh dill, and I finish it with my milk sauce with lime and green oil. For the temperatures, the fish and the puree should be hot, but the cucumbers and the sauce are just room temperature. So have fun, guys. And if you're passionate home cook and would you like to take your cooking skills to the next level and learn all the basics of fine dining cooking, learn how you can create your own fine dining dishes and improve plating once for all, check out the link in the description below and apply for my one-on-one coaching. And if you will be good fit, I will personally help you to reach your cooking goals. And if you want to see another recipe with fish, check out this video and learn how you can make this amazing recipe with halibut steamed in wild garlic sauce and cauliflower. Thank you for watching and I see you soon.